Welcome to Parsimony, your comprehensive business management system. In this video, we will guide you through the accounting function, specifically the Accounts Receivable and Sales Invoice Company tool. Let's get started. Once you log into Parsimony, navigate to the Accounting module by clicking on the Accounting option in the top menu. Here, you will find various accounting features to manage your finances effectively. To access the Accounts Receivable tool, click on the Accounts Receivable from the drop-down menu. This feature allows you to manage your company's outstanding invoices, customer payments, and overall accounts receivable. To begin, click Sales Invoice under Invoicing subfunction. Now, let's create a new sales invoice for a customer. Click on the Add Sales Invoice button to begin. Here, you need to fill in the necessary details. Start by selecting the customer from the drop-down list. Enter the invoice number, date, and due date in the respective fields. Specify the account head and enter the item details, such as the product or service provided, quantity, and rate. Once you have entered all the relevant information, click on the Save button to save the sales invoice. Great! You have successfully created a sales invoice. Now, let's navigate back to the Accounts Receivable dashboard to manage our invoices and track customer payments. On the Accounts Receivable dashboard, you can view and manage all your invoices. Use the filters and sorting options to locate specific invoices, such as by customer, status, or date range. Let's say we have an invoice with a pending payment. Click on the invoice to open its details. To record a payment for this invoice, click on the Receive Payment button. On the Receive Payment screen, enter the payment details such as the payment amount, mode of payment, and the relevant bank or cash account. Once you have filled in the payment details, click on the Save button to record the payment. Fantastic! The payment has been recorded, and the invoice status now reflects the payment made. By utilizing the Accounts Receivable and Sales Invoice Company tool, you can easily manage your company's outstanding invoices, track payments, and maintain accurate records of your accounts receivable. That concludes our brief tutorial on the Parsimony accounting function, specifically the Accounts Receivable and Sales Invoice Company tool. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember, Parsimony provides a comprehensive suite of features to streamline your business operations. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore the Parsimony documentation or reach out to our support team.